You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that confuses the whole world except for the French. Because yes, the French pronunciation, it is a French word, hence the very strange spelling is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is how we say it in France. In English, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, or in short, mayo. It's easy once you know mayonnaise, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.